Surprise guest on day 78 of befriending a crow. The seagull showed up and I started filming. It's really rare to see seagulls and seagull chicks at this time of year here. Of course, there are always a few seagulls that hang around throughout the whole year. Please watch the video until the end and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I'd like to remind you that if we hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll do a face reveal. The seagull doesn't like the crows, but he's a surprise visitor. He doesn't eat any food. Oh, crow is here.